answer. Example 3. You have 6q minus 4q minus q plus 7q. Notice each of these has q's. So that means that they're all like terms. This one, I'm going to circle my negatives. That means I owe you $4. And just because this letter does not have, it looks like it doesn't have a number in front of it, it actually has an imaginary 1. And this means I owe you $1. So altogether, I owe you $5. And then I have $6, and then I have $7. So if I owe you $5, I have $6 in my pocket, I'm going to give you the $5 that I owe you, which means that I have $1 left, plus my $7, which means I have 8Q is the answer. Example 4. I have 10 m plus 5 plus 9m. We know that parentheses and brackets mean multiply. So I'm going to take the 10 on the outside and write it twice, once next to each number and letter on the inside. So I'm going to take this 10, write it next to the M, and I'm going to take the 10 again and write it next to the 5. Put a little multiplication sign in between. Don't forget to bring down your 9m plus 9m, because that has to stay all together. So this gives us 10m plus 10 times 5 is 50, with no variable, plus 9m. I see that m is the same, and I see that plus 9 is the same. When I add these two together, I get 19m plus 50 is the end. I get 19m plus 50 is the answer. That's example 4. Example 5. I have 8y squared plus 3y squared plus 15y. Notice that this is y squared, this is y squared. That means that these are like terms. 8, that gives us 11y squared plus 15y. We cannot add these together because they are not like terms. So this is my answer. Example 6. I have 2p squared plus negative 5p squared plus negative 3. P squared and p squared are like terms. I'm going to circle my negative, all my negatives or subtraction signs. These are alike. I owe you $5. I give you 2. That means that I still owe you $3. And you can also look at it as when you're adding and subtracting, whatever number is the biggest, the answer is going to follow, the sign of the answer is going to follow the biggest number. And then I have a plus and a minus 3. Remember, you don't write both. You write the sign, the minus, that's closest to the 3. So negative 3p squared minus 3 is your answer.